a special
Special guest,
Dana.
D Block.
The glue in the container.
So we putting glue in the container.
I was going to go.
This is regular.
So at this point, I guess I have to use this as a container.
No.
So I'm gonna use this.
You got a bowl right there.
This crack.
Okay, I have my glue.
Got my glue out. Is this enough?
So yeah, so he is pretty showing us how to do it. This is my first time doing it. We got a slime kit. We got all types of
You
stuff
don't need
there.
food coloring.
You don't need. Okay, so what is the next step, eh? What are you doing?
Food coloring.
She putting food coloring?
Glue. Food coloring.
I'm using all this.
Whoop.
Whoop. Whoop.
You only need a dish
Green.
shaving cream.
I want
Alright,
green.
how much?
You don't even have to put shaving cream.
Oh, this is. I don't know.
We
What,
got
Erica.
no recipe. There's no.
I don't know what we doing. I'm
Is
just
that
putting
enough
this
or
together.
put more?
Hey.
Alright, now I gotta mix it.
Drip, drip, drip. Hey, drip.
I only add a little bit of shaving cream.
Why is that you only add a little bit and I'm laying a lot?
I'm
What is-
adding a lot too.
I added a little bit so you could like add a lot at the end.
Why is all the animals want to attack us now?
Okay. So then we
I don't know what
add-
I'm doing. At this
I don't
point.
know what I'm doing either.
So now we add Tide.
Oh, Todd? That's my cousin name.
Hey Ty, shout out to you.
Yeah, shout out to you.
So, what are we doing? What is I'm doing? I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm going to add
Alright,
this.
we add Ty.
And
How much Ty? A
You
little bit?
don't need it. Don't matter.
Hey. I'm going to add the best slime.
Yeah, I heard.
I'm going to add the best slime.
Mine's already coming together.
Mine's not.
Let me say, whoop, 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 whoop. So, how was everything, D-Block? Where you been at?
Very good.
You good? You straight? You should back? She should back. You hear me? Yes, Lord. So, what you been doing though? How's school?
School good.
School good for you? Okay. What you doing in school? What you learning? What's going on?
I'm learning some new stuff.
Okay, who's that?
Egypt.
Oh, they on Egypt time. Okay. Is I'm
Egypt
doing
is one of my favorite places to
Only a
learn.
little bit.
what I'm doing though? Is I'm doing anything right? Cause I don't
this
have
right?
slime yet.
I don't either.
So is I'm at this point is I'm doing.
leave
doing it
it.
right.
Leave it to Uncle Adam to add a lot.
Hey, my slime is. This looks like soup. I don't think this is slime.
Yeah, because you did it wrong.
I did it wrong. Well, you were supposed to be showing us how to do the steps. You over there. You
Yeah,
make-
because I'm trying to make my own slime. Thank you.
You could have just told us what and what.
Thank you.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. I think I need more. I think I need more glue. What y'all think?
Yeah.
More
No,
glue.
you don't.
No more glue. What is this? I don't like. This looks like. This is pretty much fun.
Your shaving cream. And
Let me see.
then keep
I don't even know what. I don't even know what I'm doing.
Yeah, you don't. Add some more Tide.
Ask one time. The recipe's on her shirt, right? Yes, the recipe's supposed to be on her shirt. And that recipe lied. Or I'm doing something wrong.
Yeah, you're doing something wrong.
I might got the biggest. Oh, it's spilled.
In the kitchen with this stuff.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
My slime is wrong.
So what you got, the best slime now? P?
I didn't say that.
Maxim. I think I need more glue.
Why is it so watery?
Can I use some of your pink?
Yeah.
No more glue. Let me see what's this.
I don't know what this is.
I'm gonna start using stuff like
I
this.
don't know what this is. What is this?
Hey, 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 hey.
Just keep
See?
mixing.
Try to put the rest on it. Did I activate it right? Activation.
Look, Look at mine. It's not right either.
Cause she was supposed to teach us how to do this. Mine turned into soup. I don't know.
Mine did too.
I don't know. Did I use too much or what, and how, what, and where? But these.
This is my song.
That's yours?
It's horrible.
I gotta be good. I
Oh.
added too much tide.
Oh, this might be coming together. Look at mine. It might be coming together. Let me see some of this. Let me see some of this.
No, you can't put it on the floor.
That's why. That's it. Yeah, make another one. But
Yeah, this came out of soup, Erica.
I don't know what
No,
either
It's coming together.
Teach us what we gotta do. I'm using spray. I'm not using hairspray. I'm. Oh, what's that?
The trick is my ass.
The trick is what? The trick is oh, we rocking. We
Mine's
rocking, baby.
too.
We hold on. I know what I gotta do. I gotta put flick of the wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist. Hey, look at the flick of the wrist. Hey, binding. We're binding. That's what we're doing.
It's bonding.
Binding. Okay. D block back. So that means she's doing good in school or something, huh? That's what it is. Mom let you back. What happened? What's going on, Claire? You doing good in school? Around the house too? Oh, okay. You heard it. Doing good.
Keep it up.
Yeah. We had the prayer hands for you in the comments.
You did. We did.
I don't know what this is, but I'm using this too. And I guarantee I'm gonna have the best slime out here.
Okay.
Okay. I think
I'm gonna keep kneading this slime because, like, I'm white.
you know, man, this is a complete fail. Alright, what can I do, you guys, to bring this back?
Then put
Is
some
there
in
any
here.
more clear slime? Very good.
I'm not sure. Whatever's in here. Oh, my hands is getting nasty. This ain't for me. I quit. I'm gonna try to leave this overnight. Like, sun gotta happen in the course of now and tomorrow.
Instructions on the back of the blue.
Yeah, it got instructions, but what a food color in that? This is the food color. Oh, you even put it on the food color. So I don't think we're using any of this no more. This
I'm
is
gonna let
All yours.
look, cause she ain't want to tell nobody how to do it. Like, be true. Mine came out like soup. And this is all gooey now. I don't know what I did wrong. If y'all can go back and show the timestamp and where I did wrong at, please show me. We're gonna try it again, and maybe, and just maybe, we do a part 2 to this. I might just buy some. I might just buy it. Put it all in there. Put some more in there. So, Erica, put some more in there. Hey, gee. Oh, I got. Could you put some shaving cream in here? Ain't nothing for me. Real complete fun for me. So, but now we went and brought some slime. And now we're just gonna play with the slime. Achoo! Oh man. Oh man.
Why is this slime so hard?
Hey. So what are you doing, E? What is that called? Oh, so she's giving it more. Achoo! God damn. Flu coat. My bad, y'all.
Oh, look at this, guys. A big bubble.
Oh, that's nice.
Don't pop.
What?
Oh.
I'm raining slime, y'all. Hey.
It don't stick. Oh, let's do this. Hold it. Oh. No.
You said pull.
You mean like
You meant to do
there.
like
Share, likes, subscribe below. Stay tuned.